You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary, medical terms in particular, stay tuned to the channel. Got tons coming up at the end of the video. Epi, not epi, not epi, epigastric. Epigastric, stress on the gas syllable. Both British and American English pronunciations are similar here as epigastric. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.